Take a deep breath in and close your eyes. Center yourself in your heart. Feel your feet anchored on the ground or your body anchored on the chair where you're sitting. Take another deep breath in, and in this next breath, really feel the energy of earth coming from the sole of your feet. Entering your body, into your ankle, into your knees, your legs, your thighs. Feel this energy going higher and higher in you, into your abdomen, your chest, your heart, your throat, your neck, going all the way to the top of your head. And next exhale, just breathe everything out and feel any stress, any toxic energy really come out through your body, through the front of your body, and going back into the center of earth for recycling. Take another deep breath in, and once again all the way to the top of your head, and with a big deep breath out, allow anything that need to be released to be sent back into earth. And in the next inhale, once again, send this energy coming from the sole of the feet all the way to the top of your head. And as you continue breathing, imagine that you are coming out through your crown into a beautiful bubble of light. Move beyond your body, beyond the trees, the clouds. Continue going higher and higher, beyond the stars, the planets, entering the dark lights, the white lights, past the universe and multiverse. Continue going higher, and you're gonna see more white lights, more dark lights. Continue going until you reach a jelly-like substance, the law of the universe. And there, just above your head, there's this beautiful, sparkly energy. The energy of creation, the energy of all that is. The energy where there's only love, peace, possibilities. So move toward this energy. It's glistening like snow under the sun. As soon as you touch it, poof, you're there. And as you are in this energy of creation, this energy where only love can be, let's ask Creator, let's ask the universe, let's ask God, whatever you want to call him, her, to realign you three eternal atoms. The atom that is at the crown of your head, the atom that is at your heart chakra, and the atom that is at the level of your roots. Creator, it is commanded to realign my 3 eternal atoms and sense those atoms find their space and start rotating. And as they are rotating, you're gonna become aware that you are in your bubble, in your aura, in your own energy bubble, and that this bubble is actually rotating too. Reach out above your crown, reach out of your bubble and take some of this energy of creation, this energy of unconditional love, and allow this sparkling white pure energy to enter in your bubble. And as you're breathing out, allow this energy to clear any cord, any debris, anything that doesn't belong there. And sense anything that is not pure love. Get out of your bubble. And as those less than desirable feeling of getting out of your bubble, replace this energy with unconditional love, with light, with love, with peace, with joy. And see your bubble turning and turning faster, cleaner, clearer. And as it turns, notice if there's any hole or any crack in your bubble, and let's ask Creator, please, it is commanded to close, to repair any crack, any hole in my bubble, so I feel safe in it, protected in my own energy. And see Creator repairing those cracks. And sense your bubble turning faster and faster. Your energy being clearer, more peaceful. And you are there in this energy of unconditional love, knowing that is where you belong. This is where you're supposed to be. And you can take this feeling with you anywhere you're going. So take another deep breath in. And when you're ready, taking this squeaky clean bubble with you, re-enter your body, re-enter yourself right here, right now, sitting on your chair, in your house, in your own space, knowing that you are safe, that you are loved. And open your eyes to a new day, a new possibility of new way of being, moving forward in life, in your bubble of light.